y'all. Welcome. I'm Miss Katie and this is Heritage Ways. I am a cook, a teacher, a wife, a mama, a grandmother, a cookbook author, and I want to encourage you in your homemaking. I want to support you and encourage you. In the background, you might hear productivity. One of my children is downstairs practicing the piano. I have homeschooled for, I think it's 21 years now. And my children age and range from 11 to 30. I have 6 children with Mr. Patient. 3 of those children are adopted. And that is a little bit about me. Heritage Ways is our brand, our business, our ministry, where I like to, like I said, support and encourage homemakers and homesteaders. Well, I want to share with you this month. This is March 2023. We're past the middle of the month. This is the last third of the month we're looking at. And I want to make sure that you know about 2 resources you may or may not have heard of. Sometimes things slip through the cracks and we don't hear things and we regret because we didn't know them about them later. The first one is a free 12-day course that I am offering. I'm giving over on Instagram. I'm putting out course post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'm also dropping those here at YouTube in the community post section. And what it is, it's called the Nesting Project. And it is a way that we are decluttering those often forgotten places in our homes. Now, it's easy to kind of notice that the table's piled up or the kitchen counter's piled up or whatever. It might not be easy to declutter those and clean those, but it's easy to notice those. We are focusing on 12 areas in our homes that we probably don't think of or we overlook them. And so that is what I'm giving to you, 12 chores or tasks, and you have a day or 2 to complete each one. And then at the end, we're going to have a fun little vintage giveaway. So don't miss that either. That's going to be both on Instagram and, like I said, on the YouTube community posts. So check those out, that free course that I'm offering, either place. Also, I am part of a project. Many of us homemakers have been working. I worked so long and hard preparing this, and I'm thrilled to bring this to you. It is called my Meal Preparedness course. Now, I've offered this before, but this is an updated version. I have added content. It is now, it's printable with color pages and all this kind of thing, and I'm so pleased to be able to offer that to you. What it is a course that prepares you and gives you food for thought and tools and tips and resources and recipes from planning your garden to filling your larder, preparing for an emergency, all the things that are involved in meal preparedness. It is not menus. I don't give you menus. I offer those over on my website. You can go check those out. But these are just strategies, basically. I have a 30-minute video included, and then I have a 77-page course, printable pages. Some of them have interactive links because it's offered digitally. So there are links you can click on, but also you can print it off. And so I'm fixing to show you exactly what the course looks like. But I'd like to tell you that the course after the March 31st is going to cost $58 for the entire course. Right now, it costs 87 cents. You heard me right, and here's why. It is part of a collective. The collective is a bundle of resources from many ladies. I think it's almost 60 ladies or around 60 ladies who have come together to give you ebooks, calendars, devotionals, planners, cookbooks, and more, all sorts of topics. And the value of everything that has been contributed is $875. Divided by all of the content, some lady figured that it comes out to 87 cents per course. But that's just a fun way to refer to it. The cost of the course is $50. So you can see that is, okay, here comes the train. I've got somebody grinding a stump in front of my house, so I tried filming there and that didn't work. Thrifty homemaker, And they're grinding a stump outside my window. For real? Seriously? Okay. Amish men are grinding a stump outside my window right now. I came in here because they were practicing piano, and now I've got a train in my backyard. We keep it real here. Anyway, woo! The course is $50, so that is cheaper than what you would pay for my course after March 31st. I know there are some more, like, for example, there's some high dollar courses in there, like Amy Fuel's herbal course that I think sells for $145 or somewhere around in there. I may be wrong, but I know it's 100 and something. And you're getting that, her course, as well as all the other ladies' courses and cookbooks and so forth and so on. So you can click on the link. I'll drop a link down in the show notes, the description box, the caption, wherever you're seeing this, whether it's YouTube or Instagram. And because it will go away March 31st, or well, April 1st is when it'll go away. So I don't want you to miss it. You know, if you don't want it, fine, great, wonderful. But if you do, I wouldn't want you April 1st to hear about it and think, oh, my word, and kick yourself in the foot or whatever. That's not a thing. Kick yourself in the rear. Kick yourself somewhere. Anyway, I don't want you to miss it. So at least you can go explore it and see, what is she talking about? I just want to look at it. So just click on the link. You can look at all the contributors and their bios and what they've contributed and that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you exactly what my course involves. I won't be showing the video, but I'm going to show you the notebook all printed out, the course all printed out, and you can decide for yourself. So don't forget the nesting project, how to declutter those often forgotten spaces. That's to the end of March, with a giveaway at the end of March or 1st of April, and the Back to Homemaking Collective. So don't want you to forget that. So don't forget, count your blessings. That is so, so very important. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. The course is digital and it has 77 printable pages and a 30-minute video to go with it. Now what I've done is I've printed off all the copies and I've put them in these plastic covers, and this is lovely to have. It keeps spills, keeps everything clean, keeps spills off. But you'll see, meal preparedness course for the diligent homemaker. From planting gardens to stocking the larder, be prepared with the foods your family will actually want to eat in any emergency or simply daily life. Introductions, course outline. If you didn't want to watch the video or didn't have access to a way to watch the video for some reason or another, you've got it all written here in outline form. Then it reminds you that there is a video presentation. Then this is the course transcript that you can actually read word for word what's in the video. Talks about grocery shopping, meal planning, pantry shopping, cookbook surfing. It talks about being prepared in the event of emergency. It talks about gardening and more. Correcting the mindset and just some tips. Silver spoons, that's more tips. A pantry inventory. This, I think, is my favorite part of this, my course. It gives an extensive list, and I pretty much have every one of these in my pantry now, but an extensive list by category of what you can have in your pantry, kind of pantry goals, if you will. But look, extensive list with room to mark up where you got the product, or you can even mark it on these plastic sheets, and then you can erase it like I need to buy, and then you can erase it when you buy it, or how many you have, and so forth. And it keeps going. All right. And then we have further ideas. So more thoughts, more tips to implement a meal plan. And then I have recommended reading. That's resources that I really enjoy. It's not extensive. It's not all-inclusive, I should say. But kitchen binder ideas. So you can get some ideas for your kitchen binder, or if you want to call it a homekeeping notebook. Then it also comes with a cookbook excerpt. This is 2 chapters of my my first cookbook, 2 full chapters of my cookbook, and you'll see that here, just like it looks like in my first cookbook. And then in the back, you're going to see a complete index. This is from my first cookbook. So if you don't know if you'd like to own my cookbook, well, if you have this course, you can just look and see every recipe that is in the first cookbook, and you'll know whether or not you are interested in purchasing. So that, my friends, is my meal preparedness course, along with the 30-minute video that is found this month with the Back to Homemaking Collective. So this is part of the collective. This is a $58 value, but the collective itself is only $50, and the collective itself is $875 value, but it's only $50 this month. So I'll drop a link for you in the stories and in the description and the caption, and try to make that available to you. I'm very excited about offering this to you, as well as all the other wisdom and material that is offered in the Back to Homemaking bundle.